Hello, my name is Brian Weeks, and I am a Senior AEC Technical Specialist for ATG USA. Today, I'm going to show you in the newly released Formit 2021 about the Solar Analysis tool. With a Formit Pro subscription, you can visualize the sun's impact on your building, specify relevant faces to be analyzed for solar impact, visualize results in seconds with the app canvas, hover your mouse or input point to see specific calculated values of solar impact, and choose to view results as a monthly glazing study or as a yearly solar panel feasibility study. So I have Formit open and a new project started. On the internet I found this cool SketchUp building with some interesting angles and thought it would be great to use for a solar study, so I imported it without any issues from SketchUp. The first thing we need to do is set a location. On the top toolbar, select Location, and a box pulls up with some different options, and what we're going to do is type in this address. I just selected an arbitrary location, and from there Formit will show you the satellite image of your location that you have typed in. You can then import the satellite image or just set the location within the model without the image. I've already imported this image of the location I've chosen, so you can see the road and the grassy area where this building will be placed. After that, select Sun and Shadows on the toolbar. From there you have several selections: shadows, sun editor, the day of the year, the time of day, and lastly a checkbox for daylight savings time. At the very bottom there is a button for solar analysis. Select solar analysis. Another selection box then opens with several options. You can select the range method by picking either monthly, peak, or year cumulative. So you will select the objects that you want to analyze, and then select Analyze. After the analysis is complete, it's very easy to see the results. You can hover your mouse over the colored areas to see the specific temperatures calculated for that face. With this tool, designers can design more energy efficient buildings and save their clients money on energy costs. You can also, after the analysis is complete, switch between the two different range methods and even adjust the months, and again see the various ranges in temperature. Thank you for joining me today, and if you have any questions, comments, or even requests for additional web content, please visit atgusa.com.